What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. No edit Mal in the building. 2-strand twist, cap, skull cap, beard. Wearing Mal in the building. King Von Drake's Mal in the building. Alright, so look. No edit, no. Look, if y'all new to my channel though, make sure that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, turn on post notifications, and also make sure you follow all my social medias right here. They will also be in the link in the description, all the links, you know what I'm saying? So all you gotta do is go in the description and follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat. All you gotta do is go in the description, right? Getting straight into this video, you know what I'm saying? I had to re-up this in memory of King Von. His video dropping today. Also the first time I really didn't do it right, you know what I'm saying? So today, you know what I'm saying, we got the 2-strand twist, you feel me, the original King Von hairstyle. Now look, honest to God, King Von got, the only thing that's difference between me and King Von hairstyle is he had like some of his dreads dyed. I'm not dyeing none of my dreads, you know what I'm saying? And that just like off of me, like that just off of like, I just don't want to dye my dreads. You understand? I don't want to dye my hair. Like, bro, a lot of people be taking, I be chilling, right? A lot of people be taking this hair junk like way too serious for me. Like, I know this is just all in my opinion. This is just my opinion, right? I know a lot of people who hit me up on Instagram and be like, hey man, have you ever counted your dreads? No, like, no. It's like me, it's like, I don't know. Like, they just don't seem right. Like, I don't know, like, that's just not me. You feel what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta understand, y'all make dread videos. I also make public interview videos. Like, I make vlogs. Like, I make all different type of videos. So, like, with this dread junk, bro, to be 100 with y'all, like, half of the time I be forgetting I got dreads. You understand? I don't notice. Let me say I don't forget. I just don't notice. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had my dreads for so long. I had my dreads for like a year and like 13 months. Hello, hell no. Hell no. A year and 11 months. They said 30 days, might as well say 2 years. But like, yeah, like, so almost 2 years now, you feel me? So I don't be taking this junk serious, but I had to re-up this video. I know y'all seen the first King Von video, but I had to re-up this video because I got my 2-strand twist in, and this is actually the original hairstyle of King Von. He had 2-strand twists. Plus his hair was dyed, so you know what I'm saying, they added a little bit more definition to the 2-strand twist. But at the same time, bro, like, being 100 with y'all, like, that's just not me. Like, I'll be going out my way. Look, peep this, right? I'll be going out my way just to look like King Von. Like, if I get my hair dyed, like, I'm not doing that. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to look like no nigga. I don't want to look like no human being. Now look though, the reason I'm making this video because I already got my 2-strand twist in. You know what I'm saying? I already got my 2-strand twist in. Y'all seen the transformation video. If you haven't, go watch that. You feel me? Also, yesterday I just posted a public interview. Make sure you go check that out too as well. But and later on today, y'all gonna be seeing another hairstyle video, and then the next day y'all gonna be seeing a tutorial. You feel me? So I'm just dropping like, at least 3 times, 2 to 3 times a day. You understand what I'm saying? But getting back on track to this video, I'm not gonna go out my way to look like no other nigga. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you're making a King Von video. Nigga, I already have dreads. I've been rocking 2-strand twists. Y'all gotta understand, King Von was not the first person rocking 2-strand twists. Like, this shit been around for ages, probably. You feel me? Our ancestors was probably doing this shit. You understand what I'm saying? It just happened like, okay, Mal, you got 2-strand twists in. Okay, you might as well make this video. Boom. You understand what I'm saying? And another thing is, let me tell y'all niggas something, bro. I touched on this video, like my last video. I recorded my last video, but y'all gonna see it later on today, right? It's called like hairstyles, new dread hairstyle, something like that, right? Stop giving a fuck about what people saying. And I'm not trying to talk too loud because I know people sleep, but stop giving a fuck about what niggas saying. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole reason I'm making this video, because niggas be like, oh, King Von this, King Von that. I'm like, bro, look at the internet. The internet is posting his dead body. The internet is posting all this type of shit, nigga. At least I'm posting something positive about the nigga. You know what I'm saying? At least I'm doing my job. You know what I'm saying? So at the same time, like, Niggas gonna call you different names. Niggas gonna, I know niggas who call me clout chaser, and not just off of this video, I'm just saying in general, right? But if you really think about this shit, what do you do YouTube for? Are you doing YouTube just to make videos so you can watch them at home? I don't even watch my own videos. So, I don't even watch. Now, the reason I don't watch my own videos is because when I edit them, I re-watch them. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not about to, like, I don't know. I don't know. I just can't watch my videos, right? And it's nothing like, okay, this is my first time recording. I don't like hearing my voice. It's like now, like I don't watch the video like 10 different times, like when I'm recording, when I'm editing it and shit like that. So, like, what I'm trying to tell y'all niggas is fuck what anybody's saying. Do what you want to do. Stand on whatever you want to do and just do it. You know what I'm saying? Stop being like, oh well, he gonna think about me. Like I used to think, like when I was younger, bro, I used to give a fuck about what niggas said about me, bro, and that really deterred me a lot from like the blessings that I'm seeing that I could have had back then. You understand what I'm saying? So now that I'm older and shit like that, I'm like, look, fuck y'all. You understand? Like, fuck all y'all. You understand? Another thing is, don't compare yourselves. And right now, I'm just talking my shit. I'm doing the inspiration. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking to my people because I really don't get to talk to y'all like that. I be uploading public interviews and vlogs and shit. So, I'm just talking my shit now. So if you came to see the King Von tutorial, that's what it is, bro. This is all it is, bro. A two-strand twist, a skull cap. You dig what I'm saying? And yeah, sometimes a hoodie, sometimes a black tee. You dig what I'm saying? That got a whole tutorial. If you want to see how I got my two-strand twist, I got a transformation video, and also tomorrow I'm going to be bringing a tutorial out too. So make sure that like button for me down below for the tutorial. Also hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. 30K on the way. Now, to all the real supporters out there and to all the people who got a dream, right? Stop giving a fuck about niggas would say about, like, stop giving a fuck about what people say about you. You feel me? Just stop caring, my nigga. Once you stop caring, you're gonna see yourself leveling up. You feel me? And sometimes in life, you gonna kind of judge yourself, but that's okay too. Like, just keep going. Whatever you're doing, just keep going at it. You feel me? It's all about consistency. It's all about your perseverance. You know what I'm saying? It's all about that tenacity of wanting to do something. And in life, what I learned recently is shit. Sometimes in life, you gotta do what you don't want to do just to get what you want to get. You feel me? And I'm not. Don't take that out of proportion. Don't take that out of proportion. I'm saying shit. I might have to stay up late at night uploading. I might have to stay up late at night editing 3-4 videos. You get what I'm saying? Just to upload 3-4 videos for y'all the next day, or to be on my shit. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah. Look, if you gonna talk shit in the comment section, oh, he did this and that. Look, bro. Look, this is my channel. I do what the fuck I want to do. I do. Bro, I'm just telling y'all, like, this shit been in my heart for a minute. You understand what I'm saying? I ain't been able to talk my shit to y'all like I normally do. I usually normally record 3-4 videos a day. I usually get my shit off, but shit, this been in my heart for a good minute. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's like, a lot of y'all gonna be pussy. A lot of y'all gonna be scared. A lot of y'all not gonna start up that YouTube channel just cause bro right here talking shit, you understand? Or y'all getting 5 views or 10 views. Like, nigga, what the fuck? Where are you supposed to start at? 100,000 views? 1 million views? Like, y'all gotta start somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So if you got a dream, bro, go for it, nigga. Especially if you're young. If you're young, bro, keep going. Alright, you got nothing but time, right? If you in high school, if you in like the, I'm gonna say 9th grade to the 12th grade, shit, 9th grade to 12th grade, that's the perfect time to start up your YouTube channel, because you really ain't gotta focus on money that much like that. You understand what I'm saying? Not like most people, alright? But I appreciate y'all for supporting me. 30K on the way. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta tell y'all niggas. 30K before 2021 get here. We going crazy, we going stupid. I'm about to break down these public interviews, make these bitches vlogs for y'all. You dig what I'm saying? I gotta get this out. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. But I really appreciate y'all. No cap. And I'm gonna catch y'all folks later. Follow all my social medias right here. And peace.